Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate an MCP server like an AirBNB MCP server with Claude. Now before I do that, let's ask Claude something. Find me AirBNB in New Jersey. Now it's preparing a response, searching the web. I'll search for Airbnb option in New Jersey. And these are some of the popular areas that it is recommending. All right. Now, this response is before you added an Airbnb MCP server. Now, how do we add the MCP server to Claude? So to do that, although there are many places that you can visit, but this is the URL that I enter on the web, which is github.com/model context protocol. And these are all the MCPs that are there. And I'll come to servers. I'll just scroll down, project structure under servers, click on this. And if you scroll down further, you'll see all the MCP servers which are there. Now, do Control F and search for Airbnb. So this is the link to Airbnb MCP server. It says provide tools to search Airbnb and get listing details. So click on that and scroll down. Over here, you need to look for this. It says for cursor, go to cursor settings, and we'll come to that later, but look for this JSON, which says ignore robots txt args. All right, now have this page open over here. Come to your Claude, go to File, Settings, Developer, and Edit Config. Now, the moment you click on Edit Config, it takes you to Claude desktop config.json file. Right click, Edit in Notepad. Now, if you remember, we had opened that link for this JSON. So all you need to do is copy, come back to the notepad and paste, and then save it. That's it. Now, once you have done that, you can open Claude and close it. Now, another important thing to remember is you got to restart the Claude. Just by simply closing the Claude will not work. So you can do is come to Task Manager, search for Claude, click and end task. It is usually on the right side in your system tray. You would see a black dot, but I can't show you that black dot right now because it's on my different screen. So once you have closed Claude, you can open up a new window, right? And now let's search for this again. Find Airbnb in New Jersey. Now, as you can see, it's looking for Airbnb, and voila, you have the Airbnb MCP server integrated. And how do I know that? It's going to ask you, Claude wants to use Airbnb search from Airbnb, and this is the MCP server. And if you remember, it did not ask us the first time it searched for the same query, and it simply search from the web. So let's click allow once. It's searching, and This time, if you see, it actually found the listings for you, and it's giving you budget friendly options, the price and number of nights. And you see the result itself is so different. Like, you can actually use this Airbnb MCP server for further refining. Like, you could provide the date, you could provide the price range, and it'll give you all the options. Now again, if you come to settings, just to verify, you see in developer, this is the Airbnb MCP server which got added. And you can also see it under connectors. All right, that's it for now. Thank you so much. Let me know if you have any